what do things look like? Before the titration, you will have your vitamin C solution, and I'm using gray, but it's colorless. Okay, it will be clear, colorless. The DCIP will be blue. Dark blue. During the titration, we'll still have our colorless vitamin C solution or ascorbic acid solution that you're testing. And during the titration, you'll be adding the DCIP drop by drop. And really, you should add a drop weight, but as soon as it hits the solution, it will go colorless. Okay, and the reason that it's going colorless is because the DCIP is reacting with the vitamin C. So it will stay colorless. The blue will just turn colorless until the vitamin C is gone. The end point is observed when you add one drop of the DCIP, and then this turns to, it'll be a pale pink. It won't be bright pink like this. So we need to know exactly how many drops were needed to get to the pink, which is why you need to add very slowly. If we go past, then we will be overestimating how much ascorbic acid we had. So the more drops of DCIP it takes to get to that pink endpoint, the more vitamin C is there. And so instead of knowing the concentration of DCIP and doing some calculation that way, what we do is we take an ascorbic acid standard. We have a solution made up, and we will tell you the concentration that it has. And then, say that takes 15 drops, and then your unknown takes 30, then your unknown must be twice as concentrated. That's how it works. We're going to compare to that. So let's just, that makes sense the way I stated it, but let's put it in a mathematical form here. So however many are unknown or test solution required, divided that by the drops needed, drops of DCIP needed for the standard solution. And then times, I use CS because it's the concentration of the standard solution. Okay, let's do an example problem. This example, pretty much most of these words are just saying how the titration is performed. We're going to hone in on these numbers, that the standard required 32 and our anti-stress beverage, this is our unknown, required 16 drops. We also are given the concentration of our standard. So our beverage is our test solution. Drops for our standard solution. And this standard solution was 2 milligrams per milliliter. Yours will probably be something different. And there we get our concentration for our beverage.